Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. In the particular session we are going to talk about MDMS all clinical seats available in India and its distribution state-wise and distribution as per the seat type, whether the seat is recognized and permitted. So how many seats are recognized and permitted separately for MD and MS both. Okay, so it will be important video so that you have an idea how many seats are available in your state. These all seats are including government, private and deemed everything, and PG diploma as well. So if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel, like the video. Don't show misery in liking the video. If you find the content useful and helpful to you, share, you can share it to your friends, and comment to the comment section of the video if you have any kind of suggestion or any kind of questions. You can also send me WhatsApp messages on the number given on the screen, 9319128677. In the description you can find Telegram group, you can join, and few very important ebooks are there for deemed university, all the details for the last years, tuition fee cutoff, and for all the rounds cutoff, seat matrix, everything is there for all open states. I have already uploaded a video for all open states. What are the open states where you have option to do the counseling process and get a seat. So for all those open states, a separate PDF is there, you can purchase that. And for DNB counseling, you can have that ebook downloaded. And for paid counseling, right now we are giving 20% discount if you avail the paid services now, and from right now the services will be available with you until unless you get the admission. In case you don't get admission this year due to any reason, due to your budget issue or some location constraint or branch, you couldn't get a proper branch in your rank, then you can continue the same the service will be continued in the same fee for next years, unless you get the seat through the counseling process. And it guarantees you that you have no year wastage if you follow our guidelines, and if you have proper budget and proper number of options available for branches and states. We update you through a link where all the information keep on getting updated, whichever you ask and whichever we discuss. So you have one source of information, and anytime you can reach there, and you can find all the informations. So let's jump to the main part of the video, that is total MDMS seats. So total seats in MDMS is around 38,180 as per the official data. In the coming days, if you are watching the video later point of time, okay, the seat might not be the same, and it might have got increased. So you can understand this is as per updated data when I'm creating video. And for you see the recognized seats is 32,607 and permitted seat 4,661. For PG diploma, there are 864 seats are recognized and 40 seats are permitted across all the branches across India. So when I say permitted branch, permitted means any branch which is not recognized yet. The branch got launched, introduced newly into the colleges, and after few years it will get recognized. Unless the branch is recognized, you have no right to practice outside the state. But rarely it happens, it takes more than 3 years to get a branch recognized in government or private colleges. So within 3 years of time, before you complete the course, the branch will get recognized, or the seat will get recognized. Basically, getting branch recognized and seat recognized both are different things. In CPS, some few branches are recognized, but others are not recognized. But in a college, you see a seat is not recognized, but in the same college, in the same branch, other seats are recognized. It means those seats which are not recognized are newly introduced based on all the approvals. After 3 years or less than that, it will get recognized. Okay. So total MD seats available is to 24,514, and state-wise you can see in Andhra Pradesh there are 1,411 MD seats, 221 are permitted and 1190 are recognized. So I'm not going to read out each and everything for you, just highlight that in Andhra Pradesh you have 1400, in Delhi 1293, Gujarat 1300, where we have more number of MD seats. More number of MD seats means more number of MS seats will be there in the same state. And in Assam we have 425, Bihar 482, Chandigarh 301, and Chhattisgarh 244. Goa there are just 89 seats, in Gujarat 1311, Haryana 380, Himachal Pradesh 188 MD seats are there. And you can see Karnataka has got huge number of MD seats, 3,335, because it's got so many colleges, up to approx 20 to 25 colleges are there, and all are good colleges, most of them except a few. Maharashtra has got 2,000, around 3,000 MD seats, and Madhya Pradesh around 1,000 MD seats. You can see seat will get incremented, and totally these are MD seats and clinical seats. It's not a complete number of seats in a state. So these are all MD seats and clinical seats. And Pondicherry has got 485, Odisha 488. In Kerala there are around 900 seats are there. You can see Rajasthan has got around 1269 seats, Tamil Nadu 2160 seats, Telangana 1369 seats, Uttar Pradesh 1671 seats, Uttarakhand 749, West Bengal 935. Now take a look at MS seats. Total number of MS seats 12,774, and let's see the distribution state-wise, both state-wise and permitted recognized. Andhra Pradesh has got around 800 seats, Delhi around 650 seats, and Gujarat 675 seats, and then you see Karnataka has got around 1600 seats, Maharashtra 1571 seats, Madhya Pradesh 520 seats. Let me tell you, Andhra Pradesh is an open state, so if you come from Chandigarh, you can still take participation in Andhra Pradesh private colleges, not the government colleges. If you want to get admission into Andhra Pradesh government colleges or any state government colleges, you have to go through All India quota. And if that is your home state, then you can participate in a state level counseling. Bihar is open state. Again, Haryana is an open state, and Himachal Pradesh is an open state. Karnataka open state. Madhya Pradesh is an open state. Pondicherry is an open state. Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal. These are open states. Okay, so let me talk about seats in MS courses. So Odisha has got 266 seats. It's a closed state, so students coming from there can only participate in Odisha private colleges. And if you take a Rajasthan has got 568 seats, Tamil Nadu 1319 seats, Telangana 680 seats, Uttar Pradesh 862, Uttarakhand 311, and West Bengal 517. So this is seat matrix for MS and MD. It will be very useful for you. You will have an idea in your state how many clinical seats are available. Total number of seats and clinical seats, both are different things. There are branches, non-clinical branches, which you would have already ignored for the counseling process. And even if you get the seat in those branches, non-clinical, you won't take it. You go for next year. So it's better to have a look at the realistic data which comes under your target zone. So thanks for watching, and if you have any kind of suggestion, you want us to create a new video on some particular topic, you can suggest us. Until next video, goodbye and take care, and have all the best for your preparation.